In this segment, we'll show you how to assemble the chairs. Throughout the assembly process, make sure not to fully tighten the bolts until the assembly is complete. Begin by inserting a barrel nut, part 8, into the bottom side hole of one chair backrest, part E. Then, using 3 wood dowels, and 2 50mm bolts, part 4. Align and attach the chair backrest, part E, to the chair right back leg, part D. Now, using 2 wood dowels and 1 barrel nut, align and attach one chair back rail, part F, to the chair right back leg using 165mm bolt. Repeat the same procedure to attach one chair left back leg, part C, at the opposite end. Then insert 4 wood dowels into the outer holes of one chair front rail at both ends. Now, using 2 65mm bolts and 2 barrel nuts, align and attach the chair front rail and one chair front stretcher, part K, between the left and right front legs, parts H and I. Next, insert 1 wood dowel into the middle end hole of the chair upper side rail and attach it to the chair left front leg, using 2 50mm bolts, with the small washers through the slant holes on the upper chair side rails, and screw into place. Then, repeat the same procedure to attach the other chair upper side rail to the chair right front leg. Next, insert the tenon of 2 side stretchers into the mortises of assembled chair back legs. Make sure that the slant holes on the side stretchers will face the floor when the unit is turned upright. Now insert 2 wood dowels into the chair leg. Then attach the assembled chair upper side rails to the chair back legs with 2 wood dowels, and insert the side stretchers into the front legs respectively. Insert 4 50mm bolts with the small washers through the slant holes on the upper chair side rails and screw into place. Now, place a seat cushion, part G, upside down on the carton or other support surface. Then, position the assembled chair frame on the seat cushion and fasten it in place by screwing 38mm screws, part 9, through the slant holes on the chair rails. Secure the chair stretchers to the front and back legs by inserting 6 38mm screws, and then tighten them with a Phillips screwdriver. Now, you may tighten all the fasteners. Repeat the same process to assemble the other chairs.